What's good with y'all YouTube? It's your boy MET Metro back again with another video, man. Today, I'm gonna try to get y'all a live trading video. If everything turn out right, if we can get this trade, then cool. But if not, then y'all just not gonna see this shit. But basically what I'm looking for today, for real, is a supply and demand setup. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what I got drew up. It already tapped into it. Go over here. Yes, I did get stopped out. I'm not even gonna sit up here and cap. Y'all see it. The shit was going my way and then the shit just reversed, right? So I plan to get in once it break this candle right here. So you know, y'all see my 50 SMA. I used to use the 50 SMA a lot, but I don't know. Like sometimes I don't know. So I mix my indicators sometimes. Sometimes I use shit. Sometimes I don't. But it just depends on. To be honest with you, we're in the downtrend, you know. So shit, 50 SMA is looking decent. But then again, we just came down off some strong ass shit. But like I said, man, we just looking for a nice little dub today. Maybe a 2-to-1. I mean, not a 2-to-1, a 1-to-2. So if we can get this little nice little setup right here, that'd be cool. Why the fuck? Oh, this ugly ass nigga. Who the fuck is this? But yeah, man, it tapped in. So we just waiting. We just gotta wait for this shit. And cause already I feel some type of way about that loss, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Cause it tapped into it, and I waited. Got in right when it broke below the this bearish candle right here. That's when I got in. I'm like, okay, we in profit. I was gonna stay all the way in until right there, but as you see, the markets had other plans, and it wasn't fucking. So man, what we finna do is hopefully, well not hopefully, but we finna get in right here. If it wants to break below this, get in, and whatever fucking happens, whatever happens, bro. Like, it is what it is. Oh shit, damn, bro. I was trying to go to T4. Am I not allowed? Damn, bro. So we just waiting. I gotta make sure it ain't on news, bro, cause there's been some news today. It has been some news today. Alright, now pull back a little bit. Pull back, bro, just a little bit so I can get in. I'm not trying to get in while you going full force. Just gonna pull back. Alright, there we go. Now I'm gonna enter again right there. Hey, look, man, we just gonna wait, man. Y'all saw where I got in at. Okay. Trading view. Hey, alright. Y'all saw we got in at. We got in like right there. Stops right above that. Then gonna target a 1-to-2, bro. Cause shit, let's see what we can get, man. Let's just see what we can get today. See if we can get anything today. I'm not finna come on here like, yeah, the market finna give me this. Hell no, cause the market don't give a fuck about me. I'm not gonna lie, the market don't give a fuck about us. No lie, bro. So yeah, I feel some bullshit coming. I feel some bullshit coming. Do I feel some bullshit coming? I don't know, bro. This candle started off hella aggressive. Sometimes if a candle start off hella aggressive, it'll push down, either push up real quick, and then just to go back the other way. But we gonna see, bro. I'm gonna shut the hell up. I'm gonna shut the hell up. And if it want to do what it want to do, then go crazy. Well, like I said, like I was gonna say, this is a funded account. This is a 20K funded account, and I plan on, like, if I can be able to pass this one and just like get warmed up to it, then I plan on making like a whole nother series. I might record the 50K account. So yeah, man. So hopefully we just trying to get this win. That's all we trying to do, bro. Like, as a human being, we just trying to get this win. And I'm just hoping this shit don't. I promise you, if this shit like reject, then from now on I'm taking 1-to-1s. Simple as that. Because, bro, like, I don't know, like 1-to-1s, like it feel like we trading in Q4 still. If this don't hit, I'm trading like I'm in Q4. I'm only taking 1-to-1s. And it's like the trades that I don't only take 1-to-1s, that shit hit for like a 1-to-4, 1-to-5, you know, all that crazy shit. But we just wait. We executed the trade. Now all we gotta do is wait, man. That's all we gotta do. That's the only thing there is to do. So, but I guess I can explain my last loss since we already here. Hold on, man. Y'all might wait for that. I'm trying to hit the TP. We right there. Well, no, let me shut the hell up, because there's been plenty of times where I done got so close to the TP, and I take TP, and that bitch just But I mean, it's not about that shit. It's not about that shit. Sometimes you just gotta take what the market gives you, honestly. And I'm gonna just take this little 500 if it can get me a 500 though. I ain't gonna lie, you could hit like right here. I promise you, I'm gone. Hit like right here. You can I'll be gone. I'll be out your hair, bro. I'll be out your hair if you want to break that, you know. But hey, man, it's a Tuesday morning. Trying to catch a 1-to-2 on here. Trying to catch a 1-to-2. We almost there though, but yeah. I'll just explain my last loss after we get out this trade, because I'm gonna be transparent about it. Like, shit, I lost. I'm not gonna come over here, oh yeah, I just hopped on the charts and just instantly won. That's not the case. I took a loss today. It is what it is, bro. Come on, let's see that 500. See that 500. Bing. Now, let me see how much that shit was. That was like a $500. I almost said $500 loss. Hold on, let me just calculate shit for y'all. So I'm like, no, it wasn't a $500 loss. It was a $489 win. Come on, just help me out for the views, bro. Let me do it for the views, bro. Come on, man. Let me do it for the views, man. But hey, yeah, today's Tuesday. I really feel like I lost. I think because of news, and it was a higher gap. But I'll get into that later. Hold on. I'm gonna calculate this shit real quick for y'all. Hold on. 272 plus 241. Yeah, so it was a $513 win. And let me just mark up this, and I'm gonna get y'all the rest of the reward real quick. 592. Okay, so we got, yeah, I'm gonna just a little bit right there. Oh shit, I didn't even hit our take profit yet. Man, fuck that, bro. I wasn't being greedy. I don't care. I'm not being greedy, bro. Like, the shit that happened to me this week, I'm not finna be greedy, man. So yeah, that's it right there, y'all. Wait, hold on, my fucking I don't know, bro. Fuck, we just gonna go with this shit. 1 to 1.5. Fuck it. But yeah, really, I'm gonna go to TradingView for this shit. But my confirmations basically, right? So we're on a 5-minute, right? I kind of had a feeling once I lost this trade, I was like, okay, it either maybe wants to go up here or maybe it wants to do like a little reversal. Cause the reason I did get in this trade down here is basically because I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying, it hasn't been breaking structure. Well, technically it did because it was going down, broke above here, but the 50 SMA was still above it. And usually if the 50 SMA is still above things, I still tend to have a bias of a sell. I don't really like to counter trend trade. It definitely work. I do it sometimes, but I don't do it often. I usually try to stick with the trend, and that's what I did for this trade. And I won this trade. Sometimes even if you stick to the trend, you still not gonna win. You know, shit just happens, and you just gotta learn to move on and be okay with it. So I was looking for the supply and demand sale. It played out pretty decent, but as you could tell, it wasn't as clean as I wanted it to be. So let me do something right here. Where's this being? So once I saw that it didn't break above this, I was like, okay, this could possibly be looking decent, right? So on here, it doesn't look like it tapped on TradingView, but if you go to MT4, you can see it tapped right in there. I was gonna point to the screen, dumbass, like y'all can see it. But yeah, look at that box, bro. Y'all see it, bro. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. Boom, look at that. Y'all, I know y'all see it. It tapped in right there. So yeah, it tapped in right there. Got in for a sale right here. I'm gonna mark it up because y'all, I don't know, y'all might not be able to see it, but boom. Stop loss was a little bit up here. I'm not gonna lie, but then it kind of blasted through real quick, as y'all can see. So it went kind of, but spit it out, bro. It kind of went through my stop loss. So yeah, but yeah, that's really my trade, man. For the winning trade, following the trend, supply and demand, 50 SMA, and you know the candle breaks. You know, once it tapped in, it rejected. I was just patient with the shit, and I think it was this trade. Yeah, where it was almost stopped me out. Where I was like, yo, damn, I'm gonna just have to just delete this video or some shit. But yeah, man, that's really it for today. I know this video is low-key longer than expected. I just wanted to hop on the camera and just say some extra bullshit at the end and just really try to break down them setups for y'all, and just instead of just being like, yeah, this is a supply and demand setup, then just click the video off. You feel me? Because low-key, some people be doing it. I'm gonna show y'all what some people be doing on YouTube, especially the motherfuckers who really don't know how to trade. They'll definitely just hop on the chart and just like break down the trades, like, yeah, you know, it was just following the trend and market structure, and this is where I got in, and you know, yeah, that's really all I did for the trade. Those are my confluences. Nigga, what? But hey, man, I'm done talking. I'm tired. I'm not really tired. I'm energetic as fuck. That's why I talk a lot. But hey, man, hopefully y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Hopefully y'all got it the other day. Make sure y'all follow me on IG. Thank you for y'all support. And stop fucking overtrading. Because I know damn well you've been overtrading. You be over leveraging, all that bullshit. If you want to get far in this shit, you got to stop doing it, bro. Come on. We both got to eat, bro. I know you trying to take your Lamborghini to Dubai or some shit. Come on, man. But nah, man. I'm done bullshitting with y'all, man. I'm going to let y'all go. MET, XRO. I'll catch y'all later.